Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back at Spotify Camp Nou with excellent weather conditions allowing crews to maintain strong momentum across the entire site. Fresh deliveries continue arriving, including glass panels, ventilation duct components, and facade slat materials staged for upcoming phases. Workers are visible in every major sector, carrying out structural, finishing, and preparation work. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It's completely free and helps us continue bringing you daily construction updates. Starting in the Tribuna section, a Salvador truck has delivered new glass panels stacked on pallets, now staged for upcoming installation. Chrome tubes remain positioned throughout the area as part of the facade system. A concrete pump is active in upper levels, increasingly rare as structural concrete work nears completion. Elevator shaft structures remain a major focus, with workers on scaffolding performing interior finishing and alignment tasks. Elevated platforms operate in tight zones, with visible welding inside. In the diamond commercial zones, the cafeteria structure shows no visible changes, with glazing gaps still present in corner and left sections. The official store diamond also remains unchanged, with upper entrance panels pending. Several trucks have delivered ventilation duct components, now staged for mechanical installation. Recently poured concrete in front of this area continues curing. Another truck has arrived carrying slat anchors or facade support brackets. Moving to the south goal, transformation is accelerating. Workers apply finishing material to hollow core slabs on elevated platforms, preparing upper structural areas. Steel reinforcement now runs continuously from the south goal into the lateral section, forming a key structural link. Sandwich panel installation has advanced toward the first cantilever level. The left staircase is fully enclosed, while the right staircase nears completion. Workers prepare adjacent sections for slat installation, painting brackets, and installing tension cables. At the corner, 2 slat sectors are nearly complete, with only 9 slats remaining in the upper right area. Elevated platforms conduct inspections, tighten connections, and perform quality checks, while additional slats remain staged nearby. In the lateral section, the 4th radial beam stands fully installed despite challenging weather earlier in the week, a major milestone for the compression ring system and overall roof geometry. This installation significantly strengthens load distribution around the upper perimeter and marks another visible step toward completing the cantilevered roof structure. Workers are positioning a second sandwich panel above concrete panels near elevator doors, coordinating carefully for precise placement using an elevated platform. The right staircase here awaits additional beam installation before panels can be added. Large quantities of slats remain staged mid-lateral, ready for transfer to active zones as new brackets are finalized. On the cantilever, several workers operate drilling tools along the front face, likely preparing connection points and securing alignment for future elements. Protruding tubes visible through panels may indicate LED lighting integration, hinting at the stadium's modern nighttime identity and illuminated facade design. Finally, at the north goal, steady progress continues. Insulation and trim are installed across upper mid-level sections, though some areas still await completion. Support brackets are in place across 3 sectors, prepared for future slat installation once anchors are secured and alignment checks are finalized. Welding sparks are visible behind central pillars, and both staircase cores appear structurally advanced, suggesting sandwich panel installation could begin soon as this sector moves closer to full enclosure and visible transformation, reinforcing the stadium's cohesive exterior vision. That's today's update from Camp Nou. Sandwich panels are climbing fast, slat sectors are nearing completion, and the 4th radial beam marks a major structural milestone. Momentum is strong across every sector. Thanks for watching MegaVerse Builds. Like the video, subscribe for daily updates, and we'll see you tomorrow.